Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that like button, or if you find this particular video helpful, maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. That'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is an absolutely fun game, and this was sent over by Cards Against Humanity, and it is Shitless. Now, this game is a ton of fun, especially to play as a group. It utilizes those black cards in your existing set. However, this particular game does come with 80 new cards, so you can just play it right out of the box, but if you have existing cards, you can also add those black cards to this game. So, how does it all work? How many players? You basically need at least 4 or more players. The bigger the group, a lot more fun. I personally find the sweet spot around 6 to 10 players. And then playtime is going to depend on your group size. It can be anywhere from 30 minutes to 60 minutes. It depends on how many rounds you essentially want to do. So how does the game work? Essentially, depending on your players, everybody's going to get this little dry erase cards. You basically pan it out. The maximum number of people that this can play is 12, because that's the number of cards they include. If you have more than that, you're basically you're gonna have to find a dry erase marker or something like that. But you get 12 little cards, and then you're gonna get also, everybody gets a little dry eraser pen, and then you're going to essentially roll this dice. And when you roll this dice, it's gonna come up with a letter or a star. If it's a star, it's wild, which means you can pick your own letter. Otherwise, you just get a letter. Now you are gonna go ahead and grab one of your black cards, which is going to give you a prompt. So if you grab this one, it says, when I die, I want to be remembered for blank. Now everybody comes up with their own word to fill in that blank, and it has to start with an O. Once everybody's done, everybody shows their word, and if you have a pair match, that becomes a shit list word. If you have more than 2 people, it's thrown out. If no one matches, it's thrown out, and you just go again. That's why it can depend on how long the game is, because if you're not matching, it's gonna take a lot longer to play. And as you collect those words, once you have those pairs get a point. You can write your points down on the bottom of the card. And once you fill up the list with 7, you're gonna begin Act 2. And what Act 2 is now is you're going to read the black cards, and you're going to write down your prompt, and it has to be from one of these 7 words. You're gonna match, but this time it's the majority rules. It's not just a pair. So if multiple people pick that same word, then that is the point. So whoever has the most words, that is the one that gets, then you cross that out, and then you continue down until all the words are crossed out, and then you add up your points, and whoever's basically got the most points has won the list. It's a lot of fun. Like I said, it's a different, clever way of playing a game. It's a lot of creative. It can get kind of raunchy, especially with the prompts. If you are into word games, you're into Cards Against Humanity, this one is really fun. It adds a lot of life into these black cards. So if you're in the market for a new party game, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.